Now I will talk about the point 11.3 entering data. Data would normally be entered into a database using a form, but in the practical examinations it's probably better to use a table to enter new data. Now, to make sure that all the columns are fully visible, click the left mouse button on the white triangle to highlight the entire datasheet. Move the cursor between two field names until it looks like this, the symbol here, and then double click like this to adjust. This will adjust the display width of the columns. Scroll down the list of cars. Scroll down until you reach the entry with a star next to it, which will allow you to add a new car at bottom. You can create a new car here. Don't touch in this cap here because these are the primary key. Only the other camp or fields. Here you can put Renault and put the model that you want, the price, the access, and the year, all. But only two things that you have to be sure in the ID and the valid don't touch. To modify these numbers to text, you have to click here the view to design view, go the valid, and put the format yes or no. Then click datasheet, wait. And this will be like this. Now click the cursor in the maker cell for the new car and add Ford. For example, here go maker, you put here and change all these counts that I said before. Now you can always use copy and paste for some data. For example, if you need to make sure the spelling of Scott is correct, copy and paste it from record 67 above here or 68 here. That's Scott. You can use the copy and paste. For the pprice and sprice fields, enter only the numbers and the decimal point if this is required. Do not attempt to enter any other characters like the currency symbol. As you press the enter key after the adding the price access will set the data into the currency format like this. Like this. It will be automatically the symbol of the currency. The valid field will automatically default to null. Move into this field and enter yes in this cell. Here you can put yes. It is minus 1. It automatically will be yes. As you enter each item of data, access will automatically save it. Check your data entry carefully using visual verification. This is when you compare the original data on paper with the data that you have entered into the computer. Any data entry error in the database may cause you errors when you try to use the database to search or sort. You can go here and open the design view that is here. Move to the empty row below the valid field and enter the field name pdate here below pdate, and in the data type box use the drop down list to select the date and time type here. The format, first you put here the date time, don't forget this. After click here format will be like this. Then choose the most appropriate format for this. In this case, the task asks for a long date format, like this. Save the database and select the data sheet view. Move your cursor and select yes to save the table. And move the cursor into the pdate field for the new record. Here, the new record. You can use the calendar here if you want. Select the date that you want. I will like for example. And you can see the change in the calendar that I make now. You can see what we can make with the database with the access. Don't forget the format view. This is very important. You choose the data type that you want here. If you put short text and go here format, you don't have the calendar. To have a calendar, you have to click in the data format to date and time and go in the format. And don't forget to save the database.